Popcorn Behind the Bush. Written and illustrated by Grace LaJoy Henderson. It was a cold winter morning. Gracie was sitting up in her bed under her warm and cozy blanket. She was feeling excited because it was Saturday and school was out for the weekend. Suddenly, the telephone rang. Gracie ran into the other room and picked up the phone. "Hello," said Gracie. It was Grandma. "I am calling to see if the mailman delivered the large tin of popcorn I sent you," said Grandma. "He should have delivered it to you yesterday." Gracie was surprised. "No," she replied. "I have not received it." So, Grandma told Gracie to look on the front porch to see if the mailman left it there. Gracie said goodbye to Grandma, walked quickly into the living room, and pulled open the front door. She did not see the popcorn, but she discovered a note stuck on the front door, which read, "Popcorn delivered, Bush." Gracie was puzzled. She did not understand why the mailman wrote the word Bush on the note. With the note in her hand, Gracie hurried into the kitchen where her mother was preparing a healthy breakfast for the family. Gracie told her mother about the popcorn that Grandma sent and asked her if she knew why the mailman wrote the word Bush on the note. "Oh my," said Mother. "Maybe there is a bush in our mailbox." "No, I don't think so," said Gracie. Gracie rushed into the dining room where her father was reading the newspaper and drinking coffee. She told her father about the popcorn that Grandma sent and asked him if he knew why the mailman wrote the word Bush on the note. "Oh no," said Father. "Maybe there is popcorn growing all over a bush in our yard." "No, I don't think so," said Gracie. Finally, Gracie walked into the family room where her brother was playing a game on his electronic tablet. She told him about the popcorn that Grandma sent and asked him if he knew why the mailman wrote the word Bush on the note. "Wow," said Brother. "Maybe the mailman is standing on a bush in our yard, eating popcorn." "No, I don't think so," said Gracie. Gracie walked away feeling sad. Then she looked at the note one last time. Suddenly, Gracie remembered the large bush in front of the house and began to smile. "I got it," she said with excitement. "Bush." Gracie walked swiftly to her bedroom to put on her warm winter coat, hat, and scarf. Then she slipped into her snow boots. She darted towards the front door, opened it quickly, went out into the front yard, and looked carefully behind a large bush. There, on the white snowy ground, sat a large tin of popcorn, safely tucked behind the bush.
If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.